Hello, hey guys. So today we're gonna be learning or like experiment, learning and how about links and lists in HTML. So this is like the third video in this series. We're gonna be continuing with the same file as last time, as last two times. So untitled. Let me just open it up. So this is all the things we did last time. That I'll just run it just in case for you guys to see. So I'll run it. So here, if you can see, this is what a normal paragraph text looks like. The H1 to H6 things, a button, and like a table. These are like last things we did. And this is all the code that went into that. So this is like the title. If you go back here, you can see like here it says this is like the title of the project. So there's two types. So we're gonna learn. So now about lists. So there's two types of lists in HTML called unordered list and ordered list. So it's easier to just explain, and it's easy to just show you guys what it does. So let me just show you guys what it does. So I'll open to open like unordered list. So it's UL, and boom, that's unordered list. And you can't just type whatever in here. You have to put like another tag in there, like li tag, li. I'll put another tag. Let's put another tag to demonstrate. Li close, and then I'll just say text, and then more text. Text and more text. So yeah. So these are the text. So if I run this, I'll just show you what it does after I also do the unordered list. So to write an ordered list, it's OL. So OL closing tag, enter, and LI, and then LI, and then close it, and then another one, and then another one, LI, close it, and then text, and then more text and more text. And now boom boom boom, if I run it after you save it, you have to save it, make sure it works. Now if I run it right quickly, you can see the difference between a text and the like ordered text, ordered lists, and like unordered lists are this. So unordered lists, it has bulletins indicated in the list. So but these but ordered lists have numbers. So it has different applications. So if you want like a list of stuff that you're gonna need for like a project or so, you could use unordered lists. And if you wanna like something that you like prioritize what you need and what you don't need, you could use ordered list. So yeah, like those are some things that you could use ordered and unordered list for. So yeah, let me just close that. Okay, it's closed. So now more about links. So basically, so you're gonna so have you ever gone into a website and saw like this text with like a highlight underneath it, and when you clicked it, it redirected to a other link? So that's what we're gonna be learning on how to do. So first of all, we're gonna open a paragraph. You could open a paragraph if you want to put like a text in there. So I'm just gonna open a paragraph real quick, like a p tag. So close it, enter, and now if I just say just say anything, let's say link and link to, and then you'll understand this later. I'll just say now how to open an a tag. So a tag does is basically what redirects you to a link. So a tag, and then don't close it, because we don't have you write it in the tag itself, you don't close it. So href, and href equals to and then you put the link in there. So let's just say like a random link, like YouTube maybe. So https youtube.com http/youtube.com. I'm pretty sure it's www.youtube.com. I think that's pretty sure. So now you can close it after you type this. So now close it, and now don't skip right here. Stay between these two tags, and you could write whatever, like if you just say link to YouTube. So it's gonna be like, if you just type YouTube here, it's gonna like put underline text over that. So let me just show you. It's like easier to show you guys, and like it's like more understandable that way. So if I save it first and then run it, and it's gonna say link to YouTube, but YouTube has like a underline, like a blue outline and a blue color. So if I click it, it's gonna redirect me to YouTube. If I hover over it, it's gonna show me, it's gonna redirect me to a link, right? Like if you can see. So that's what this does. Like you could like make any website. So let's say you want to make a, let's say YouTube a link, like a href link to like anything. So like if you say it could so basically like basically anything you can make a link to. So like I think maps I guess maps is also a thing. So like www.google maps I'm pretty sure maps /maps. You go, and now if I close that and run it, and close that and run it, and then link to maps. No, it redirects to this random website. So it's googlemaps.com. It's Google Maps. I got it wrong. Google Maps dot Google Maps. GoogleMaps.com. I don't know the exact link to Google Maps. I'm just gonna guess. Is this? I don't think it's www. So if I just start debugging, link to maps. Oh yeah, it's not. Let me just check what the link to maps is, because I don't know. I have no idea. No idea what maps is. No, wrong thing. I typed in wrong thing. Google Maps. I'm not a robot, so come on, bro. It's so annoying, like these captcha things. And so Google Maps. So it's Google. Oh, it's Google.com. Oh, it's Google.com. Okay. It's not Google Maps. Oh, so that's sort of thing I'm learning too in this video, guys. So if I just save it and then run it again, if I click this, boom, it opens Google Maps. So that's how you can like make a link to anything that you want. So if you want to make a link to a YouTube channel like this, so you could do that. So that's all in this. That's like everything we're gonna discuss in this video. So bye. See you in the next video, guys. So bye bye.